To start, we're going to be using ChatGPT to generate our story. Here I wrote, you are a professional storyteller and a script writer. If you tell this to ChatGPT, it will take on the role of a professional storytelling and script writer, and it's going to give you a very good script. And also at the end, I said, this story should be written in a dialogue format. It should be interesting, suspense filled, and conversational. So all these things are very important. You'll find all these prompts in my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Once you have this, you should also have a summary of the kind of story you want to create. So you should have an idea of the kind of story you want to generate. Just give the summary to ChatGPT and tell it to expand the story, make it more interesting, suspense filled, and keep it in a dialogue format. Once that is done, click on the enter button and ChatGPT will begin to generate this story idea for you. Take a look at it, read it. If it's something you like, you can just go ahead and use it like that. So the first story it generated for me, it used foreign names and I didn't want that. I wanted to naturalize this story. So I told it to regenerate the story without changing anything, but it should use easy to pronounce Nigerian names. So it actually did that and it rewrote the story. And this is what we have. Now I'm going to tell it to give me image description of each of the scenes in the story. Then after that, I'll also tell it to give me the image description of each of the character in the story. These are the information we're going to be using to generate our images and later convert those images into video. Now let's copy the image prompt for the very first person and we're going to take this to Google Whisk. There are so many other image generation platforms that you can use and I'm going to be listing them on your screen. It is not only Google Whisk that can allow you generate images, and you can generate your images in different style: 3D pixel style, 3D animation style, realistic styles that looks like real humans. Now paste the description right here and click on the settings icon. Make sure the nano banana precise reference is turned on. The next thing is for you to select your desired aspect ratio. I'll be going with 1:1 for this particular generation and I'll click on enter and you wait for your image generation. And this is what we have. As you can see, it generated two different characters into one image and I don't want that. And also the facial expression of this character is not something I like. So I'm just going to refine this prompt. AI is not perfect. You are the human being that has to direct it. So I'm just going to refine this prompt and I regenerate. And this is what we have. And I am still not satisfied with this. But because the platform is 100% free, I'm going to regenerate this as many times as possible until I finally find the one that suits my story. So I've decided to go with this exact image right here. So this is the unique feature I'm going with. I'm just going to tap at the top left corner of this image and then click on download, and this is going to download onto your device. Let's go back to ChatGPT to copy the image prompt of the second character. So copy it and take it back to Whisk, paste it, and then hit generate. I did that, and this is the image I got from the ChatGPT prompt. In my Telegram channel, you find a very simple but amazing image description that you can use to generate the type of character you want for your stories. So you find the link to my Telegram channel in the description. repeat the image generation process for all the character that exist in your story. The next thing now is for us to combine all the several characters into a movie scene. So Whisk is going to help us do that. Click on the arrow at the top left corner and you will see subject. So I'm going to be adding all the characters onto the subject section one after the other. There's a pencil icon at the top, ignore that. Click on upload image at the bottom and then go to your phone gallery and I'll upload the very first image. Then I click on the second subject, click on the plus sign, click on upload image and upload the second character. You repeat this for as many characters that you have in your story that you've already generated their images. Now go back to ChatGPT and go copy the image prompt for each scene. So this is different from your character image. This is the scene itself. So we're going to be building it scene by scene. So I copy this and take it back to Whisk. Now select only the people that are in that particular scene. So the wife and also the nurse is in that scene. So I select it. I make sure every other image is deselected. Once that is done, go to the prompt section and paste your image description there and click on enter. And this is the image it generated for me: the wife, the newborn baby, and the nurse. So I click on the download button and download this. This image is perfect. So the next image I want to generate is also this exact scene, but with the husband added to the scene. So I will now upload this newly downloaded image as a subject at the left hand side. So once that is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT to copy the prompt for scene 2. Then we bring it back to Whisk AI. Now I will select this particular scene and also select the husband's image, which is the man of the character. So now I want to combine this. I'll paste in the prompt and then click on enter. And then we now have a new scene with the husband, the wife, the baby, and the nurse all together in one place. And that is how you continually build your scenes in different locations, different places at different times, including different people like this. To get access to all your creations, click on library at the top right corner. It will bring you right here. Now click on images and you would see these are all the images I have generated using the same explanation that I used earlier, adding two people, selecting two or multiple subjects, and describing the exact location where the scene is taking place and what they are doing at that particular time. If you're getting value from this video, type story in the comments section. I cannot wait to see what you're going to create with this amazing video tutorial you are watching right now. The next thing on our list is for us to convert our images into animated videos that talks. So we're going to be using Grok AI to convert this, and I have a trick I'm going to be showing you, so pay attention. This trick will enable you generate unlimited videos on grok.com. So let's go. This is grok.com. Sign in with your Gmail and come to the bottom left corner. Click on your name at the bottom left corner. Then go to settings. Click on settings and the next thing is for you to go to behavior. Now turn off this enable automatic video generation button. It is usually on by default, so turn it off. Once that is done, you now come here and click on imagine. Now click here, change this to video and select your desired aspect ratio. Once that is done, come to the left hand side, click on that attach button and click on upload file. Attach your very first scene. Now go back to ChatGPT to copy